How to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your LinkedIn account without email and phone number, then what you need to do is just open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for LinkedIn. Go with login page. And once you're on your login page, now here you will have forgot password option, right? So you just need to simply click on forgot password and then enter your email or your phone number. After entering, go with next, and LinkedIn will send the verification code to your email address. But if you don't have access to your email or your phone number, then what you can do is you just need to simply go with can't access this email. And now here it says that you need to use a mobile device to verify your identity. So you need to open the camera app on your mobile device and then scan the QR code left to it and follow the steps on your mobile device in order to recover your account. You can provide a new email address. It will ask you a new email address after scanning the code. Then you need to re-enter your new email address, and then you need to enter your LinkedIn profile or public profile URL and go with continue. And after that, you'll be able to recover your LinkedIn account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.